Yes, please.
Okay, once again, welcome back from the short break. We are here again. We have been up and down looking for different type of flowers, green, white, red. So we are almost coming to the final end.
What greens are you using?
We are using different type of greens. These are sweet potato leaves, as you can see them.
Yes.
Open them for you and you see.
Yes.
Then we have this. It is called gobe, as you can see.
Okay.
Then we have here flowers. They are like flowers, but they have names. So
What's the name?
This is ginger lily. As you can see, it is white in color.
And it smells good, by the way. Don't forget.
By the way, it is tasty when you mix it and you make a combination.
I can even eat it.
So we have hibiscus. So this is
Like
purple.
different colors.
We have different colors. We have purple. We have red. It's here. Also white is there. Though we don't have it here. And we have also rose flower.
So amazing.
It's here. Yeah, as you can see.
What's amazing about that?
The lily, this lily flower, it can
Because you
be
can even
eaten
eat.
when it is fresh
And it's
and
nice.
it has a nice scent.
Yeah.
So these flowers, however much, some people know that flowers are only for decoration. As you can see, they can even fly in air, but it's medicine. Yeah, it's medicine.
Yeah,
So
did.
when we make a combination, we come up with a delicious meal, as we are going to prepare here. So here we boil our water. It's already boiling. We are going to put some salt. After some salt, we get a leaf by leaf. We wash.
We wash.
Then we put in the water. We boil for like 7 to 8 minutes. Then we sieve. We get a clean pan. We put butter. You get this mixture. You put it in the pan. In the butter, you toss. You do the seasoning.
And after you serve.
After you serve, as we are going to do.
What spices are you using?
The spices really.
You just,
There's no need of using spices because we use only butter. Butter is how it tastes from blue band. Butter is
salt.
different from
By the way,
blue
we have
band.
some lemon leaves as
So,
well here.
some salt.
It's a bit different from others, but it's very good. It helps in headache, by the way. It heals very, very well. I tell you.
So,
You can try one time. Come at Malachi College, you try.
so if you
Get
have
a
headache
best.
and you put like
The
this,
head,
so within a few minutes.
you put in a glass of water, you
and you
take.
take.
So we are going to do the washing. We have to wash thoroughly well so that there is no that sand. So everything has to be clean, as you can see here.
Okay.
We put in our hot water. It's already boiling. I think I can call some of my colleagues who are helping me to wash for me.
You know, beyond, but
That's it.